Today we're gonna renovate our bathroom. So this is our old bathroom. So the plan is they're gonna remove the whole panel, take this all out, and they will replace it to a new one. So the work should be done in one day. I'm so excited though how it looks when it's finished. So I'm gonna clean this area here, guys, so that we can start renovating our bathroom today. So this one will be removed because it's gonna be a mess around here. It's gonna be my final look from my old bathroom. Hi guys, as you can see, the bathroom is finished in less than 7 hours. They were here at 8 o'clock in the morning, and by 2 o'clock they're completely done and finished. So, and then we don't have to use it for about 24 hours, so we can use the shower tomorrow morning around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So guys, what do you think?